You've spent countless hours scrolling through YouTube, watching video after video on how to make money online. But after all that time, where are the results? It's frustrating, isn't it? But here's the truth, it's not your fault. Most of those methods are already saturated and simply don't work anymore. Here's the thing, you don't have to keep chasing the same old, overhyped routes. There's an untapped opportunity where you can start making money by your first month, and not just small change. We're talking about scaling it to $10,000 to $50,000 in just a few months. Sounds unbelievable, right? This isn't just another random hype video. I'm about to reveal a strategy that actually works. Let's dive in and change the way you think about making money online. Social media has become the place where trends are made, products go viral, and audiences are built. Influencers are shaping what people buy, where they travel, and even what they eat. Brands know this, which is why they're spending billions of dollars every year on influencer marketing. But here's the kicker. Most influencers don't know how to pitch themselves to brands. And guess what? Brands also find it tough to pick the right influencers for their campaigns. That's where you come in. As an influencer marketing agent, you're the matchmaker. You connect brands with the perfect influencers and help negotiate deals. And for your efforts, you get a sweet commission. By the end of 2025, influencer marketing is expected to be a $22 billion industry. So if you have ever thought about being at the center of something big, this is it. Here's how you do it. Don't go after the big fish right away. Start with micro and mid-tier influencers, those with 10,000 to 100,000 followers. Why? Because they're approachable, have loyal audiences, and often don't have agents managing them. Head over to Instagram or TikTok and search for hashtags and niches you're interested in. Use free tools like Nox Influencer or Social Blade to check their engagement rates. Once you find a few influencers, send them a message. Keep it simple and genuine. Next, you'll need to find brands that are already investing in influencer campaigns. Look for brands that are active on social media and already collaborating with creators. Use Hunter.io to find their marketing team's contact details. It gives you verified emails in seconds. Send personalized emails to brands, showcasing the influencers you represent and why they're a perfect fit for the brand. You can use ChatGPT to modify your mails and make much better. This makes your work more easy. Next, you'll need to create pitch decks. Use Canva to create sleek, professional pitch decks. Your pitch should include the influencer's stats, the type of content they excel at, why they're the right match for the brand. Let's say you're working with a fitness influencer who has 100,000 followers. You approach a protein shake brand and pitch a campaign idea. The influencer lands a $5,000 deal, and since you're the one who made it happen, you take a 20% commission. That's $1,000 straight into your pocket from a single deal. Now imagine scaling this, managing multiple influencers, working with multiple brands, and closing several deals each month. That's how you turn this side hustle into a thriving business.
Gologan is the best browser for multi-accounting.
And that's why starting an influencer marketing agency is one of the easiest and most profitable businesses you can dive into right now. It's beginner-friendly, requires zero investment to start, and has massive potential to grow. All the tools I mentioned, like Hunter.io and Canva, are linked in the description to get you started right away. Now here's the deal. If you've watched till the end, you're already ahead of most people. So why not keep that momentum going? Like this video, hit that subscribe button and stick around because this channel is all about breaking down real, actionable strategies to help you grow and earn. Thanks for being here. You're officially part of the journey now. Let's make it happen together.